Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time someone starts streaming on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable the stream started notification sound on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. This is a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Discord is open, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open up your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification settings. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a list of different sound options under the heading Sounds. This is where you can control which events trigger sounds in Discord. Scroll through the list until you find Stream Started. This is the sound that plays whenever someone in your server begins streaming. To disable this sound, simply click the toggle switch next to Stream Started. When the switch turns gray, you'll know the sound is turned off. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Stream Started notification sound. From now on, you won't be interrupted by that alert whenever someone starts a stream. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle back to the on position. Discord makes it easy to customize your notifications, so you only hear what matters to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Let us know in the comments if there's another Discord feature you want to learn about. See you in the next video.